So here we have it. I have collected the keys to the next project. And honestly, I can't wait to show you this. And I bought this property for £25,000 below market value. So let me explain how I actually got this property so you can get a good understanding of how you can go about getting a really good deal. So it all started off January, believe it or not, January. This property behind me was listed and it sold within, I want to say a week and a half. I actually called about it at the time and I said, could I come and view this? They said, we've got so many viewings. I just sort of said, I'm not looking to pay the asking. I can only pay lower. And they said, honestly, this will go above. I've worked with this agent before. This property you'll see just there, I bought and sold that property with this agent. So we've already got a good relationship already. So they know what I want. They know I have the funds ready and I'm ready to just go ahead. So in the end, sold within a week and a half. They were right. I get a call from the agent saying the property has fallen through. And when I hear those words, I think this is my time to shine. This is when I can get my foot in there, get myself a good deal, because they know I wanted it. I've worked with them before and they're constantly looking for properties for me in a way, but of course for everyone else. They can't just sell it to me, unfortunately. And they came to me and said, come and view this. It's a probate property. And even though you don't want to pay the asking, etc., so I'll come and view it, I'll speak to the agent, etc. We haven't seen each other for some time. They remember me. I remember them, of course. I didn't want to be disrespectful at first with the offer. I knew what I needed to do. I knew all the works I needed doing. And I sort of explained it to them. And I said, this has to be done. This has to be done. It's going to cost roughly this much. I didn't want to be disrespectful to them especially. So I said, if you don't want to put this offer forward, don't bother. Because I don't want to turn this relationship into a bad relationship because we want to work in the future as well. So she said, hit me with the offer. And I hit them with a £25,000 deducted offer. And she came back to me. She said, I'm happy to put this across because it's probate, of course, and they did want to get rid of it. She told me, she started laughing on the phone. She told me, take it. They accepted your offer. And she was laughing on the phone as she told me that. I said, you're not joking, are you? She said, no. I said, well, let's get the paperwork done because I want it. And then within a month and a half or so, we've now come to collect the keys. I know exactly what sort of works need doing to it. The deduction I've got is pretty much the value of the refurb in itself. Probably slightly more, if I'm being honest. You'll see a video on that as well at the end once it's all complete. But this is how you get discounts just like this one for a really good price. Creating that relationship, building up your reputation in the industry and the area. Funnily enough, again, that property I just showed you, it's about 5 roads away. And if you look at the photos of that one and this one, they're pretty much the same. You've got the corner plot, you've got the garden behind, very good size. And in this area, you don't get corner plots like this. And I think because there was quite a few bits of work, and of course, if you pan over there, you know that there's a slight damp problem. I mean, people get frightened of it. I used to get frightened when I first viewed properties. Now, it's just nothing new to me. So, there we have it. I came with my builder. He gave me a good idea of how much the refurb will cost. And now it's a matter of beginning the project. And yet again, stick with me because we're going to do a full series on this, of everything from start to the middle to the finish. Looking for cheap materials. To finalize the series, I will do a full refurb cost. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I've been Hago, aka Hags. Don't forget the name, and I'll catch you in the next video.